Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past. That's where these red and green lines are coming from, and they still definitely pertain to the chart. I am going to do a little house cleaning, though. Just get rid of that one. Like I said, yes, it still pertains, but it's not really relevant, and from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, definitely pertains to one of the annotations, and that's this level here at $3.60, and this update comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and so far so good. This was an area of resistance. The price got above it, and you can see acted as support, and then in the final 30 minutes of the day, price essentially closed right at it. So yeah, it is thin ice, but yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls are maintaining that $3.60 mark, and going forward, that would definitely be the ideal level that you do want to see hold. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not going to sit here and say that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but as far as the chart, looking the strongest and healthiest, yeah, you want to see the price stay up above $3.60. If the price cannot hold above there, the next key level of support to keep an eye on going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, or if you want, you could just draw this uptrend line here, which is doing a good job of showing where the price has been going. But you can see they essentially match up with one another. But this trend line is just based by taking, where these lows have been. And like I said, orange line, purple line, you almost can't see one or the other because the price is essentially there. So that's really a personal preference thing. If you want to use both, and heck, you could even that. So I'll leave that line up there to symbolize that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's talk about a couple of these. Initial area of resistance, I think, makes pretty good sense, which where it got rejected. Yeah, pretty good sense right up there at about $3.95. I say that because, well, that's where it got rejected today. But then you look back here and you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. So public enemy number one going into tomorrow, $3.95. So all in all, the price is slowly making its way upwards, as you can see by that orange trend line. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon the uptrend or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.